Okay, students, I'm about to teach you what might be the most important thing I have ever taught you, or that you might take away from your educational experiences with me. Here it is: creating filters on Gmail. Okay, you get tons of emails every day from notifications on Google Classroom, things from the district, things from the school, things from your teachers, attendance emails, probably. You get all kinds of emails. And let's be real, uh, 4 out of 5 of those emails you probably don't even need to ever see. Okay? If you look at my inbox here, which, ooh, you get a look at my private inbox, you will notice there are only 2 emails on here. That is how I like to keep things, preferably 0 emails in the inbox when I can do that. Okay? Um, and the way I'm able to do that and manage that is by having filters. You might think, what's the big deal? Why do I need to do this? Well, here's the deal. As you become adults, email will be the primary method of communication for all your professional stuff. Okay? Probably not so much interpersonal, like social stuff. That's really gone by the wayside, but definitely for professional things. Okay? And it's super important to be able to look at your inbox and know immediate, like see emails that are relevant to you, be able to read them, and then preferably delete them. Okay, extract the information you need, create an event, write a phone number down, take whatever action you need, and then get rid of that email. Okay, so it keeps your inbox streamlined, as in empty. Okay, so let's say this one here, this Maximus has 10 jobs you may be interested in. Recently, I saw a position for being a census taker because the 2020 census is going on and they needed a Polish speaker. I don't fully speak Polish, but I wanted to see maybe if I could pass the test yeah, possibly help out with that. So, yeah, anyway. I speak enough Polish that I might be able to get somewhere with that test. So let's put it like that. Let's say I'm done with this email though. I don't want any of these emails ever again. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Also, you see, I got a Chicago notification about that band because I love that band and I'd love to see their concert in Topeka when it happens. So Maximus Talent Network. This is how you create a filter. Okay, and this is something you should do. I'm telling you to do with every Google Classroom notification. Probably a lot of attendance notifications. I know that sounds bad, but these are things you just don't need to see. Okay, cast a wide net is what I'd say of things that you think, you know what, this is really not stuff I need to see on a regular basis. Okay, this is what you'll do. Check. Actually, let's open the email. It's going to make it easier if you do it like that. And then you're going to, for one thing, you could do unsubscribe, right? And a lot of emails are giving you that option now. I think those work sometimes, but if you want to be really sure, this is what you'll do. Go to the 3 dots up here, and you'll go to filter messages like these. All right. From here, it's going to have the list that gave me this email to start with. You know what? I want to be even more sure that they're not going to throw me on another list and keep going with those emails. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually go back. I'm going to open this again. Actually, first I need to go back to the inbox. All right, open this again. And before I create this, I'm going to highlight this at marketingjobs.net. All right, got to get the whole thing there. And that means anytime any email comes from this address route, it's going to be deleted because this is what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to put it in here. I can even remove the list so that this makes it a wider net, right? Now, anytime anything from @marketing.jobs.net comes to me, I'm going to create this filter, and I'm just going to say delete it. All right. Then, lastly, you can do this. Also, apply filters to one matching conversation, and it's going to automatically get rid of that email from your inbox. Right? If there were 10 of those in your inbox, or 30, like it's a Google Classroom notification, it's going to just get rid of those with one fell swoop. So create filter. And then if you go back to your inbox, you'll see it should disappear, and there it goes. All right, so that's how you create a filter. I encourage you to do that with as many notifications, especially automated ones, as you can. because that's just going to make your life that much better. And especially knowing that moving forward, you're going to be using email more and more as professionals. This is a skill you really want to, or it's a task that you really want to get in the habit of doing. Definitely let me know if you want more help on discerning which ones you should and should not create filters for. But yeah, I and some other teachers, I'm sure, we do expect you to check your emails because we will send you personal emails, not automated ones, that we need you to read. And that way, when you go to your inbox, it's going to be easy to find them because it's going to look basically like this, a lot of empty space. Thanks.